Hello, my name is Rachel with Guru Dental, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to install the Guru Teach software version 7. And we are going to be installing the server version, which you would install if you were installing on a server and you're going to point workstations to that server, or if you were running a laptop as a standalone version. The very first thing you're going to want to do if you are a previous user of past versions of Guru Teach is you're going to want to uninstall the old version of Guru. And you're going to do that simply by going to your control panel, and you can find that by clicking here on your start menu, and if you type in control panel it'll come right up, and go ahead and click on that. And then from here you're going to go to uninstall a program under programs. And then you'll look through here, usually you can have it in alphabetical order, and you'll want to select the Guru Teach that's an old version. Usually it'll be a past version that's in green, probably Guru version 5 or 6, and you're going to go ahead and highlight it, click on it, and right click and select uninstall. And then that will go through the uninstall process. Once that old version of Guru is uninstalled, you will no longer see it here in your list. And make sure you don't delete any old folders or data, just uninstall it. The first thing that you want to do is run the Guru setup file, and you're going to get this probably from a link that we've shared with you, and then you're going to take that link and download the actual installer file. Once you've downloaded that file, then you're going to need to extract it, and then I would suggest you save it in a common file on your server so that you can access it from all the workstations that you want to have Guru Teach installed on. Once you have that file downloaded and on your server in a common file, then you're going to want to go to this setup file and go ahead and highlight it and right click and run as administrator. Also note that you can install Guru Teach version 7 on any PC that's running Windows 7, 8, or 10. Also be aware when you run the setup file that you are going to have some prerequisites that will be required, and if you don't have them already installed on your computer, the installer will have you do that. Some of those are .NET 4.7.1, which is a Microsoft product, and that will require a restart. Also MySQL connector and QuickTime. So if you don't have those installed, the installer will prompt you to do that. So go ahead through that process, install all of the prerequisites, and once you've done that, then it will lead you to the next step. The next step is installing Guru Teach itself, and you're going to see this window. Go ahead and click Next. Then you're going to want to click I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. And go ahead and leave this unless you want to change it, but to anyone who uses this computer, or change it to what you would like, then click Next. It's going to automatically install it on your C drive in Program Files x86 under a file called Guru. If you want to change that, you can go ahead and do that at this point. And once you do that, go ahead and click Next. This is an important step. I'm showing you the server installation, so you're going to want to choose Guru Teach Server Install and then click Next. It's advised that you go ahead and leave this checked, have the installer update the Windows firewall for Guru. This is recommended. So go ahead and leave that and then go ahead and click Next. And then you're going to click Install, and it will go through the install process. I've sped up the video so it is moving faster than it will move in reality. It can take a little bit of time, so just be patient. Once the process is completed, go ahead and click Finish. Now you're done installing Guru, and the way you can tell, go ahead and X out of that. You can see the icon right here. It's going to say a big G and a D for Guru Dental, and it'll say Guru Teach underneath. So go ahead and let's open up the software. You can double click on it or right click on it and hit open, and it's going to open up the software for you. Once you open it, it will ask you to license it. So go ahead and click License, choose the Internet option, then you'll want to click Continue. Now for this part, you will need your serial number, which acts as the Internet activation code. If you do not have that information, please give us a call at 888-331-4878 and we can get that for you. Once you have entered the serial number, then click Continue. Once it says successfully activated, then click Continue. The next step is to put the houseofguru.com credentials in, or we call them thog.com credentials. And where you're going to want to do that is go ahead and click on this settings icon and go down here to email. And you're going to want to go ahead and enter your thog credentials, so your email and password for the houseofguru.com. And then once you have those entered, go ahead and click Save Changes. If you do not know your thog.com credentials or the houseofguru.com credentials, please give us a call at 888-331-4878 and we can get that info for you. Once you've entered those credentials and you click Save Changes, the next step you will see is this box will appear that says please enter verification code. And this is an email verification code, so you're going to want to go check the email address that you have for your houseofguru.com credentials and get this 6-digit verification code, and you're going to want to enter it here. Once you have that verification code entered, go ahead and click Confirm. And once that's confirmed, then those credentials should be saved. The next step you're going to want to choose, the last step, is to click on this Export Data. This is going to bring all your old data from your previous version of Guru. If you are a past customer of Guru from previous versions, it will bring that up into the new version, version 7. Now that you have Guru Teach installed and you have it licensed and you have the credentials for the House of Guru saved, you are going to want to make sure the videos are playing and everything's working in the software. So go ahead in the favorites and choose one of these presentations. Be aware that some of these are still images, so they are not going to have a video attached. And some of them are videos. Some of the videos have sound, you can tell by the sound icon, and some do not. So if it doesn't have an icon, you will not hear sound when you play it. Go ahead and play through that video and make sure everything's working. And if it is, then you know that you have done a great job. And once you've confirmed everything's running well in Guru Teach, you can know that it's installed and working properly. I hope that this video tutorial has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching.